Upgrade your Ford 8N tractor with this high-quality aftermarket gauge, designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications and provide reliable performance for your vehicle. Compatible with Ford models from 1950 to 1952. This gauge replaces OEM numbers including Arrowhead SSW0015, Ford 8N17360A1, JN640-01002, and New Holland 86,520,180, ensuring a precise fit and accurate readings from the moment it is installed. Built with attention to durability and functionality, it offers a dependable solution for restoring or maintaining your tractor's instrumentation. Constructed entirely as a new aftermarket unit, this gauge guarantees performance equivalent to the original part while providing the peace of mind of a modern replacement. Its precise engineering allows for a snug, exact fit into your tractor's existing gauge panel, maintaining the classic appearance of your Ford 8N while delivering consistent, accurate operation under daily use. Ideal for restoring vintage tractors or replacing worn or damaged gauges, this product combines authenticity with long-lasting performance. For added assurance, this gauge comes with a 1-year warranty, reflecting confidence in its quality and reliability. Should any issue arise within the first year of purchase, the manufacturer will provide a replacement, ensuring your investment is protected and your tractor remains fully operational. This commitment to customer satisfaction allows you to purchase with confidence, knowing that support and assistance are readily available if needed. Owners report that this gauge fits perfectly and functions flawlessly, even after extended use, providing accurate readings that enhance both safety and performance. Its robust construction ensures that it withstands the rigors of daily operation, while the straightforward installation process allows for a hassle-free upgrade. Whether for personal use, restoration, or maintenance, this gauge is a trusted solution for keeping your Ford 8N tractor in top working condition. If you want a dependable, precisely engineered replacement gauge that restores functionality and maintains the classic look of your Ford 8N tractor, this aftermarket unit is an excellent choice. Click the link in the video description to check current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel for more reliable replacement parts and quality automotive and tractor accessories.